Hi, and welcome to our monthly SAP Ariba Innovation Series. We've got some great new features for you to check out, so let's jump right in. Meet Amy, a central receiver for her company. She feels she could be more efficient in her work if she could be away from her desk and perform her central receiving tasks via the mobile app, which has historically been limited to only requesters. This new feature is great news for Amy. Let's take a look. As you can see here, she's logged into the Procurement mobile app and she sees some goods receipt to-dos. Once opened, she can see a list of orders to which she's been assigned as a central receiver. She opens one of the orders and sees all of the typical information that she's used to seeing on her computer, including the approval flow details. Next, she opens the item details and sees that she can partially accept or reject the orders. She partially accepts based on what they have received, and the status has changed now from composing to submitted, and a separate receipt will be created for the unreceived items. And now that this has been submitted, the requester will be asked to provide a final approval. Amy is now enjoying improved cycle times and efficiency thanks to this new mobile app feature. Meet Catherine, a category manager. So far, she's been quite pleased with the gained efficiency that she's experienced since her company started using SAP Ariba Category Management. And she's eager to check out the latest feature, which is introducing a new tool called Category Strategy Details within the Develop Strategy and Plan app. This tool enables her to create and manage multiple category-specific strategy details that align with the overall business strategy. Each strategy detail can be associated with one or more goals and business requirements. This tool helps category managers like Catherine determine their category-specific strategy details and obtain approval by clearly outlining how they plan to address business requirements and achieve those defined goals. With SAP Ariba Category Management, you now have the ability to view, analyze, and manage initiatives across categories. Let's take a look. Catherine is a category manager and is eager to check out this new feature which introduces a new app called Initiatives Overview. Upon opening the app, she sees that this allows her to view all initiatives across all the strategies. Until now, the app had only showed them details on individual category level. But with this new feature, category managers like Catherine gain instant and up-to-date transparency on implementation progress status across all categories. Here at the top, she sees some filtering options, some charting in the middle, and a table or a list at the bottom. She sees that within My Views, she can create and save filtering variations for quick access in the future. She has the ability to filter across one or multiple categories, and filtering is also available based on the phase, goal type, and KPI. By selecting the gear icon, she can choose which columns to include within the table below it. By selecting the bar chart icon, she receives a graphic representation of her selected criteria. By selecting the calendar icon, she's presented with an eye-pleasing Gantt chart depicting the timeline visual across all necessary initiatives. She can even filter based on status, for example. Thanks to comprehensive filter capabilities, she can quickly drill down to the most relevant aspects. This saves Catherine time with analysis and empowers her to effectively manage, by exception, the topics that deserve her senior attention. As always, you can find more information, including implementation and technical details, by going to What's New within the SAP Help Portal. Stay tuned for more innovation.